Good morning, student. Today I am going to next chapter, that is chapter number 2, the thief story. In this chapter, there is two main character, that is Hari and Anil. Hari is by professional a thief and he was 15 years old boy. Anil, who is 25 years old young man, and by profession he was a writer. Now we move forward to the summary part of this chapter. Summary is, Anil, a young man of 25, was a writer. He earned his living by writing books or articles for various magazines. He was a large-hearted and a simple man. Once he was watching a wrestling match. A young boy named Hari Singh approached him and expressed his desire to serve him. He said that he would cook for him. Anil believed him and gave him the job. Hari Singh was an expert thief and used to change his name and place to avoid the police and his old employers. Hari used to make money on the sly while buying supplies for Anil. One day, he got a chance to steal Anil's money from under the mattress. He ran away to go to the another place by train, but at the park, his inner voice made him restless. He did not want to cheat a large-hearted and a simple man like Anil, who had trusted him. He also wanted Anil to teach him to write simple sentences. He immediately came back to Anil's house and placed money as it was. Next morning, Anil gave him 50 rupees and told him that he would pay him regularly and forgave Hari's cheating as he wanted to give him another chance to improve and reform. In this way, summary part is completed. Now I am going to start few important questions regarding this chapter. Question number 1 is, how did thief Hari Singh realize that Anil knew that his money had been stolen? Answer is, the thief realized that Anil knew he had stolen his money because he found some of the notes still wet as if they were taken out in the rain. He gave 50 notes to Hari Singh that next morning and he promised to give him more money, though he did not have any contract for giving any money. Now we move forward to question number 2. Who is I in this story? Why did he chance his 9 every month? I is this in this story is a 15 years old boy who is an experienced and a successful thief. He changes his name every month to hide his real identity from his new employer and the police. Now question number 3. What was the thief's immediate reaction when he stole Anil's money? Hari Singh stole 600 rupees and crawled out of the room. When he was on the road, he started running. He kept the notes in his waist, held there by the string of his pajama. He felt as if he was an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Question number 3 is, how did Hari Singh know that Anil had forgiven him? Answer is, Hari Singh realized that Anil knew about the theft because he found some of the notes still wet. He gave him a 50 rupee notes and did not mention anything about the theft. This made him feel that Anil had forgive him. Now, this is the last question, but is very important question and a long answer question. The question is, a character arc in the transformation or a development of a character throughout the story, and refer to the changes a character undergoes as a result of their experience, challenges, and interactions with other characters. In the light of the above information, trace the character arc of the thief in Ruskin Bonds. The thief story is in about 120 words. So the answer is, the thief character arc in the story shows a transformation from a career criminal to a person who learns to trust and work hard for a living. At the beginning of the story, the thief is portrayed as an experienced criminal who is focused on staying ahead of law. He is initially attracted to Anil because he believes he can exploit the young man's trusting nature. As the story progresses, the thief begins to develop a friendship with Anil, who teaches him how to cook, write, and read. Now, the transformation of the thief's character reaches a climax when he is presented with an opportunity to steal money from Anil, but instead chooses to resist the temptation and considers the consequences of his action. This is a significant change from the beginning of the story when the thief was only interested in self-gain. Although the thief has not completely abandoned his criminal ways, the fact that he hesitated to jump on the train to escape with the stolen money shows that he has developed a moral conscience. The story implies that the thief has realized that a life of a crime is not fulfilling and that he is now open to exploring new opportunities for the better life. So in this way, the second chapter, the thief story, is completed now. I hope you like this session, so kindly share, comment, and like it. Thank you.